Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa, la khayra fi kaseerin min najwahum illa man amara bi sadaqatin aw ma'rufin aw islahin baynan nas. ومن يفعل ذلك ابتغاء مرضات الله فسوف نؤتيه أجرا عظيما. Translation: There is no good in most of their private secret talks except for those who order charity or justice and kindness or making peace among the people, and whoso does that to seek the good pleasure of Allah, then soon we will give them a great reward. The hypocrites used to whisper in the ears of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ just to show the other people that they are very important and they are very close to Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, so that they can get more attention. However, when they sit among themselves, they would whisper among themselves about the backbiting, about the lagh things, about the complaints and bad things. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that those people who are doing this whispering, their whispering is most of the time not having any goodness. Somebody who is doing the good thing and saying the truth, he does not have to hide it from someone, and he does not have to do the whisper. However, there are some conditions in which whispering is good, and one of the things is if somebody is giving khairat to someone, the person who is giving may whisper in the ear of the person that he is giving some khairat, so that the person who is receiving khairat does not feel bad. Similarly, if somebody is trying to make any good deal and trying to get any goodness of any nature, and could be done better if it is said in private, and in whispering it is allowed. And also, if somebody is trying to make two parties or two Muslim brothers who are fighting or who are disagreeing, and somebody is trying to patch up these two groups or these two people, and they whisper in the ears of these people just to try to make things better and make friendship and brotherhood among Muslims, then this whispering is good. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the end says that whoever is doing this for goodness, Allah knows all, and Allah will give them a very good reward. However, they must not be doing it to get any worldly benefit, and they must not be doing it to get any higher status in the world or any good name in the world. Let's pray that Allah give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.